Karachi's total water demand is 1100 million gallon water per day, but only half of its requirement, which is 550 mgd, is being met by two of its water resources. Those are the Hub Dam and the River Indus. Let us delve into different water projects of the Sindh government that are expected to increase the water supply of the city to 890 mgd. That is only if they see light of the day. The city has a sanctioned quota of 650 mgd from the River Indus and 100 mgd from Hub Dam. But that's not as simple. Let me tell you why. Let's focus on River Indus for now. Out of its sanctioned 650 mgd water quota for Karachi, the city receives only 500 mgd, while Port Qasim and Steel Town combined receive 20 mgd. So the balanced water quota that city does not receive is 130 mgd. To meet this gap, the provincial government introduced two water schemes. A 65 mgd water project that is funded by the provincial government, while another 65 mgd water project that is to be constructed under public-private partnership mode. The province funded 65 mgd water project has three components and its revised PC1 has already been approved. In its first component, a 20-kilometer gravity canal will be constructed from Halaji to Dhabeji pumping station. In the second and third components, there will be a pumping station at Dharo and an 11-kilometer pipe system that will bring water to the city from Dhabeji. A public-private partnership 65 mgd water project involves fetching water from a small river channel in district Thatta to Dhabeji. A feasibility study in this regard is already underway. Now the second source of water, Hub Dam. Sena and Baluchistan are combined beneficiaries of Hub Dam. They collectively get 159 mgd water from the dam. Karachi gets 100 mgd while the Baluchistan gets 59 mgd. There is a common canal that originates in Hub Dam and carries 159 mgd water. The canal later bifurcates into two water channels, one of which goes to Karachi's district west, which is solely dependent on its water resources from the dam. Last but not the least, the mega federal government funded K4 project under WAPDA. It is different from all other water schemes of the city, with a capacity to supply 650 mgd water at a cost of rupees 125 billion. The project was conceived in the year 2002 and it is in the offing since then. Its source is Kinjhar Lake, which is part of the mighty River Indus. K4 has three components, 260 mgd, 260 mgd and 130 mgd. The first component, 260 mgd, is expected to complete by the end of December 2023. Let's say against all odds, all these projects see the light of the day. The city will still be facing a shortfall of around 210 mgd water.